Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you easy tips on how to get the flawless fluorite in Heartopia. Flawless fluorite is a rare stone and a popular material for crafting furniture, and you can only get up to 3 flawless fluorite per day, so make sure not to miss it. To obtain this stone, you must be at least level 6 or have completed the quest Astralis in Onsen Mountain. And if you don't know how to finish the quest yet, you can check the link in the description for a full tutorial. And then after completing the quest, you can search for flawless fluorite every day. These stones spawns in random locations and usually reset at 6 a.m. So just keep exploring the area until you find it. And for today, you can get this stone on the near of house number 7 like this. Just go there and then next just equip your pickaxe and then just click on the icon like this, just mining this stone, and then you will get the 3 fluorite stone. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.